Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find or check your history on PrimeXBT. To check your history on PrimeXBT, launch open the PrimeXBT app on your device first and make sure that you are logged in. From the home page of PrimeXBT, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner from your home page on PrimeXBT, and from your profile section scroll down and look for the history tab and click on it. You'll then be able to see all of your transaction history, trading history or transfers in this tab. If you have any deposits or trades, you'll be able to see this in this To menu. If you don't, it will be left blank like this. So there you know how you can find your history on PrimeXBT, whether you want to find the details of your account activity including trades, deposits, withdrawals, etc. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.